Hello everyone, Mom's here again, and today I will make one more pull. I will need the borders. I will make the borders and then I will start with the water texture. No, the borders. You may use any colors, any shapes. It's like the idea. If you're new to this channel, we are mom and son Lego fans, and we always try to create something new and to share it with you. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing our videos. We appreciate it a lot. And if you're not subscribed yet, please make it if you like our videos. I want to make such kind of stairs down and the border. And now I want to make some lounge zone here. It will be an umbrella and lounge chairs right here. So have a nice building day today.